This is my HP Probook 440G9. This machine has been my faithful Ubuntu laptop for a very, very long time, but it's also been a donor machine where it's currently only running 4 gigabytes of RAM. And it is time to change that. We are going to bring this guy back up to its well-deserved 32 gigabytes of RAM so it can reach its full potential once again. We're going to undo the 5 retaining screws along the back. Flip it around. We're going to rip off this back panel by prying underneath that fan screen. Officially, you're supposed to take the battery out before making this swap. Here we have our single 4 gig stick. We're going to flip the 2 tabs, take out this 4 gigabyte stick, and this is 4 gigs of 2400 megatransfers per second. And we are going to be upgrading it to 2666 at 32 gigs. We're just going to align the notch. We're going to do slot number 1 and slot number 2. And we're going to put our cover back on. Snapping in both corners. And we're going to secure those screws again. Flip it back over, plug it back in. And now we can see that this is back up to the well-deserved 32 gigabytes of RAM for this system. And that has been a long time coming, especially for the amount of services that it runs, because 4 gigs is just not enough.